Hey, what's up, everybody? Quick video today. I got this antique check writing machine um, about a year or two ago as a gift, and I was looking forward to hopefully fixing it, but I'm afraid this thing is basically beyond repair. So, the way these things work, it's kind of like just a stamping machine in a way. You would select your digits, but I'm not able to select digits on this one. Unfortunately, they don't want to move about very freely. And I think what happened to this is somebody got their hands on it. Oh, hello, kitties, and has purposely like destroyed this. Like maybe a kid got their hands on it and just destroyed it for the sake of destroying stuff. And oh my goodness, cat, you don't write checks, kitty. You don't write checks. It's so funny how cats, they know the second you're sitting down to concentrate on something, they're like, hey, can I come bother you? Let me just interrupt what you're doing. All right, scooch over, scooch your butt. Um, anyway, I decided to take this apart, kitty, stop it. They don't really seem to be, I should say, serviceable, really. Had some screws on the back here, and I took it apart, and it is really cruddy inside. I mean, it's rusted pretty bad. Kind of interesting construction, though. It's just one heavy gauge sheet metal that's crimped all the way around, and then this there's a couple of bolts here that hold this whole thing together, and that's really about it. And then the back side was just on it like that, and it's kind of almost seemed like it was crimped around the edges. I had to pry it apart a little bit here. And of course, my favorite pry tool, which is this screwdriver, I have now managed to bend pretty significantly. By the way, these are insulated tools from Amazon. They were really cheap. I love these screwdrivers. I absolutely love them. They just seem to be just right. Anyway, so getting back to this device here. It's just like a stamping machine, and there's really not a whole lot in it. It's kind of shockingly empty for how heavy the damn thing is. This thing feels like it weighs 15 pounds. So yeah, all you would do is select your denomination, and then there's this lever here that you can select like the width of the check, and then you would just kind of pull this down. Now I've had to hammer this up and down for it to work. It's pretty seized up, but you would just kind of give it a good pull, and it would stamp the check. I'm probably gonna get another one of these. Hopefully, if I can find one cheap. I find them kind of fascinating. So they made these machines, which wrote the check, and then they had other similar machines, which was I think called a check punch, or maybe like a check canceling, or like a check um, verifying machine, something like that. And what that would do is it would punch a row of little holes through the check to kind of like say that this check is like cashed, when it's done. Anyway, random piece of old junk, totally archaic and antiquated. But I find this sort of stuff very interesting. These are still very readily available. If you want to collect anything like this, believe me, do not pay any real money for it, because they made millions of these things, and they're really kind of worthless. But anyway, just thought it was an interesting antique item to just open up and have a look at.